Before the video begins, make sure to like the video. It only takes 1 second to like the video, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. And while you're at it, make sure to subscribe. It only takes 1 second to subscribe, and it takes me hours and hours to complete these drawings, and I would greatly appreciate it. And also make sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time I upload a new video. I upload every single Friday, every single week, and I'm consistent. So make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. Alrighty, everybody, that wraps up the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like the video. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm, and I would greatly appreciate it. Let's get to 30 likes for this video. I know we can do it. While you're at it, make sure to comment what you thought of drawing. Don't be afraid to comment. I reply back to every single comment, so comment what you thought of drawing. And also make sure to share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. And if you are new to the channel, also make sure to subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Here's another Jujutsu Kaisen drawing, Fushiguro Megumi. Hopefully you all enjoyed as much as I did. I had so much fun, and I think the outcome was super cool. And I'm honestly so excited to see more of Jujutsu Kaisen. I really love the anime, and I've been enjoying every single episode that's come out so far. So hopefully you all enjoyed the drawing as much as I did. Going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlists in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description, and I also have a Jujutsu Kaisen drawing playlist in there too, so if you want to check it out, check it out. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoy. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.